Hey madam, I'm Soyong Seng, the group leader from Group 15 from Lecture 1. In this video presentation, we will discuss the innovation technology life cycle, focusing on the rise of Shopee and how we translated into its business model into an interactive C++ program. For part 1, the innovation life cycle poster, analyzing the disruptive innovation journey. We base our analysis on the disruptive innovation model as shown in the framework incorporate an established market technology trajectory against an emerging market one. Shopee did not compete with established retail mall at the high end initially. Instead, they started at the low end with a new performance trajectory, offering a simple mobile app, and they quickly improved their service to disrupt the market. Let's look at the Shopee actual timeline. In 2015, they entered the market as a mobile-first, consumer-to-consumer platform. It was a low barrier entry for small sellers and price-sensitive buyers. By 2020, they improved their performance, introducing better logistics, Shopee Pay, and trust system. From 2021 onwards, they expanded to Shopee Mall, attracting premium brand and completely crossing into mainstream consumer expectation, evolving into the giant ecosystem we see today. That's all for me. Next, my friend Junie will take over.
We continue for this traditional vs online retailer. This brings us to the impact traditional shopping mall represent sustaining innovation, making incremental improvement to physical store. Shopee, however, created a completely new value network by eliminating physical boundary, reducing transaction friction, and subsidizing delivery. That completely changed how Malaysian shop. Here is our final poster summarizing this journey. As you can see, the orange line represents Shopee disruptive trajectory. It started low in 2050, capturing the underserved market. Notice how traditional retailers, shown by the blue line, only made sustaining improvements like building large malls or offering in-store promotion. Shopee, however, rapidly improved its performance on the y-axis, specifically in convenience, price transparency, logistics, and digital payment. The crucial point is around 2020 and 2021, where the orange line intersects the mainstream expectation line. This intersection in the market disruption phase. We make the 4 key stages on the right, from low and entry to performance improvement, market disruption, and finally establish a new value network. This visualizes historical data to Christian's theory. And that's all for my part. Thank you.
Thank you, Junie. My name is Hong Jin. I will presenting part 2 interactive program. We rebuild this C++ program inspired by Shopee. We took the core element that made Shopee success, target recommendation and clear pricing, and also build an interactive C++ program named the Shopee Product Recommendation Assistant. Our program has 3 main features. First is a smart recommend system based on user profile. Second is a fare calculator that handles discount and delivery fee. And the third is a strict input validation using in-log field to prevent the program from crashing due to invalid user input. We designed the recommendation logic using if-else statement as shown in the table. The program tailors its output. For example, if a user inputs student, fashion, and below 50 ringgit, the program will success casual coding because it fits a price-sensitive profile. If it is a family buyer with higher budget for grocery, it suggests a household bundle. This reflects how a real e-commerce platform segment their user. That's all of my part. Now I will pass the mic to Kai-Xiang to continue the presentation.
Hi, moving on to the retail platform performance. This chart shows how online shopping has grown compared to traditional retail. At the top, Shopee has a very high user engagement rate of 95%. This is because Shopee is not only a shopping app but also provides features such as Shopee Live, games, and easy online payment methods. These features encourage users to spend more time on the platform. Next, traditional retailers have a 65% customer footfall. They provide a good in-store shopping experience, but customers need to visit the physical store during business hours. Finally, new niche entrants have a 40% growth rate. They are growing in certain markets, but they do not have a large delivery network and payment system that Shopee has developed. In conclusion, this data shows that Shopee has changed the shopping market by encouraging more people to shop online instead of visiting traditional retail stores. This is all for my part. Now I pass to the next presenter.
My name is Tan Junhong. Now I would like to talk about our development process. We use Git for version controls. As you can see in our log, we committed change step by step, starting from initial main menu, adding the recommendation flow, the checkout calculator, and finally refactoring for input check. These screenshots and our online compiler link are included in the final PDF reports. To conclude, we successfully mapped Shopee descriptive model in our poster and translated its core functions into a working C++ program. That's all for our slide presentations. Next, my team member will take over to run the course and give a live demonstrations. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pan Zuming. Now I will present the interactive program called Shopee Product Recommendation Assistance. When the program starts, it shows the title and the main menu. The main menu has 4 choices. First, I will demonstrate option 1. Option 1, which get product recommendation. I input 1. The program then asks for the product category. The user can choose electronics, fashion, beauty, or groceries. For example, I input 1. This means I choose electronics. Next, the program asks for the budget range. I input 1 also. This means the budget is below 50 ringgit. After that, the program asks for user type. I input 1 also. This means the user is a student. Based on this input, the program gives this output. So this part shows how the program tests user input and produce a suitable product recommendation. Next, I will demonstrate option 2, which calculates checkout summary. I input 2. The program asks for the product price. For example, I input 100 ringgit. This means the product price is 100 ringgit. Then the program asks for voucher type. I input 3. This means I choose the 10% discount voucher. After that, the program asks for delivery option. I input 1. This means I choose standard delivery, which costs 4.0990 ringgit. The program then calculates the final total and shows like this. This output shows how Shopee uses voucher and delivery option to make online shopping cheaper and more convenient. Next, I will demonstrate option 3, which will Shopee innovation summary. I input 3. The program output a short explanation about Shopee's diagnostic innovation. The program also includes some input validation. For example, if the user enters a number outside the menu range, the program will show like this. Like this one. This prevents the program from accepting wrong choice. Finally, to exit the program, I input 4. Then the program will be shown like this one. In conclusion, this program demonstrates a simple Shopee interactive system. The input is the user menu choice, category, budget, user type, price voucher, and delivery option. The output is a recommendation, checkout, calculation, innovation summary, or exit message. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.